A fistfight broke out in Turkey's parliament on Friday. Disorder unfolded when an opposition deputy was attacked after calling for his colleague, Şan Atalay, to be admitted to the assembly. Atalay is currently serving an 18-year prison sentence on charges of trying to overthrow the government by organising anti-government protests. Despite his imprisonment, Atalay was elected to parliament last year to represent the Workers' Party of Turkey, known as the TIP. Parliament stripped him of his seat, but on August 1st, the Constitutional Court declared his exclusion null and void. This footage obtained by Reuters shows MPs for the ruling AKP party rushing in to punch TIP lawmaker Ahmet Şık at the lectern, and dozens more joining a melee. Blood spattered the white steps of the speaker's podium. DEM party MP Naroz Oysalazlan said it was that of her party's deputy chair.
Those who try to teach us lessons here have split open a woman's eyebrow. Is this the parliament? Is this the will of the people? Those who do this will do anything.
The deputy parliament speaker declared a 45-minute recess after the fistfight. Brawls are not unheard of in the Turkish parliament. In June, AKP lawmakers scuffled with pro-Kurdish DEM party MPs over the detention and replacement of a DEM party mayor in southeast Turkey for alleged militant links.